Hey everyone, and we're back today with another daily integral. Just a heads up, I'm only going to be doing daily integrals from Monday through Friday because the weekends I kind of want those for myself. So to solve this, it looks straightforward, it looks simple, and it's actually a pretty easy problem. Really, in order to solve this, if you know your trig identities that you would have learned back in trigonometry, then this should be a bit straightforward. So recall that tan x is actually equal to sine x over cosine x, right? So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna grab this and we're gonna replace it with all this right here because they're equal to each other. So we're gonna do the integral of sine x over cosine x dx. Now what we can do here to solve this is use something called u substitution. So it makes sense for us to do u equals cosine x, and all we gotta do now is just find the derivative of cosine, which we know is negative sine x dx. But notice now, what we want to do here is essentially get something that's very that we want to get something that it's exactly just like this, and we're very close. Besides the fact that we have a negative right here, and we don't want that. So what can we do? We can actually multiply this whole thing by a -1. So by multiplying this by -1, we get a negative du equals positive sine x dx. So now we're in business, because now this is exactly what we have here in the red, and now we can just do our u substitution. But don't forget about the negative that we have here. The negative, we're going to pull it out. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So now we're going to have 1 over du. Sometimes in textbooks you'll see it written like this, du over u. It's the same thing. It's just the fact that I just pulled it out, and so I personally like this version here better. So now here what we gotta solve is, well, what's the integral of 1 over u? This is the same as saying, okay, what is the integral of 1 over x? And we know that that's natural log x plus the constant of integration. It's that. Except in our case, instead of the x, we have a u. So for us, this would be negative natural log u plus our constant of integration. Now we're almost done here. All we got to do here is just replace our u with what we got at first. So then it'll be, our final answer will be negative natural log cosine x plus our constant of integration, and this is our answer. Have a good one.